Well, he wanted to make the point that he was not anti-American, and then he wanted to make the point that he believed in the rule of law. We were talking just as the Supreme Court had issued its ruling. On Twitter and some places, people are saying that my letter is somehow an endorsement of Imran Khan. As your question points out, he accused the United States of somehow being responsible for his loss in Parliament. And I criticized that. I didn't think that that was true, or that he even produced any evidence to support that accusation. And at hearings made it very plain that obviously Congress has not authorized or provided any money for doing anything that is that wrong. And I've had, while Imran Khan was in office, I had criticized again just on human rights and foreign policy,